Did you know roasted garlic is subtle and is antiviral and antibacterial? Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have a super easy way to roast lots of heads of garlic so you can use it anytime. And it keeps refrigerated at least for 1 month. But you're gonna eat it before, I think. All we have to do is cut the ends of the garlic. You don't have to remove them. These are purple garlic, but it works exactly the same with any garlic, even elephant garlic. Only the bigger elephant garlic takes a little more time. So once you have the tops cut, we're gonna add some olive oil inside of those garlic cloves. It's gonna be delicious. If you want to add an herb, you can place the herb on top. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna preheat at 350-degree oven for half an hour. Today, I had some tomatoes that were roasting and I just placed them at 300 degrees for 1 hour. That was the last hour of roasting those tomatoes. Because if we leave them for 2 hours, they're gonna dry out. But for 1 hour at 300 or half an hour at 350. So there you see them in the tomatoes that have been roasting for 1 hour and have 1 more hour to go. Now look at how beautiful they come out. They plump and leave the skins on their own. They're absolutely gorgeous and delicious, and the flavor is so subtle. It's perfect just to spread on top of bread or to add it to beef. You can even add a whole head on top of family meal. Here we go. Now we take each one of those garlics and wait until they're a little colder. Did you know garlic is also antiviral, antibacterial, and good for your blood pressure? Enjoy it naturally and deliciously with Chef Pachi. Delicious food, amazing mood. Subscribe and turn on the bell for new videos.